Good morning, children. How are you today? Let's start our lesson, Unit 1, our class. Today's theme, School Rules. Learning objectives. Understand more specific information and detail or supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. Use modal forms, including must, mustn't, have to, necessary, should for your advice, on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Let's learn grammar. Must, mustn't. We must do our homework. You mustn't use your phone in lessons. You must listen to this. It's brilliant. We use must and mustn't to talk about rules and laws or to give strong advice. For example, you must do it. It's necessary, it's a rule or a law. You mustn't do it. It's against the rule or law. Must stays the same for I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Affirmative. Drivers must drive on the left in the UK. Negative sentence. Drivers mustn't drive on the right in the UK. I must remember Jack's birthday. I mustn't forget Jack's birthday. Now do the task exercise 1. Look at the signs and complete the sentences with must or mustn't. Okay. Yes, it's right. Now, please listen and check.
20.1 You mustn't pick the flowers. 1,
You mustn't ride your bike on the grass.
2,
You must walk on the paths.
3,
You must use the bins.
4,
You mustn't light fires.
5.
You mustn't take photos.
Well done. Next task exercise 2. Make true sentences. Complete the sentences with must or mustn't. For example, you mustn't sleep in English lessons. Yes. Okay. You are clever. Next grammar, have to. Have to is very similar to must. We must it to talk about things that are necessary. You have to do it. It's necessary. It's a rule. For example, do I have to get up now? Yes, you do. It's late. She has to finish her homework before she can come out. Look at the table. Affirmative form. Have has to base form. Questions. Do, does, plus subject plus have to plus base form. Short answers yes, no, plus do or does. The negative form of have to has a different meaning from mustn't. For example, you don't have to do it. It isn't necessary. Okay, exercise 3. Put the words in order to make sentences. I have to clean my teeth after breakfast. Next sentence. Okay, very good. Next grammar, should. We use should to give opinions and advice. For example, we should get a taxi. You shouldn't do that. Should I tell Dave? Yes, you should. What should I do? We often use I think and I don't think we should. For example, I think he should leave now. I don't think you should eat a lot of sweets. Okay, is it clear? Let's do the task. Look and read. Circle the correct answer. Then listen and check. The fish shouldn't have legs. The first sentence. Okay. Yes. Now please listen and check.
17.1.
The fish shouldn't have legs.
1,
The clock should have 12 numbers.
2,
They shouldn't have short ears.
3,
It shouldn't have 6 numbers.
4,
It should have 4 legs.
5,
They shouldn't be pink.
6,
The diary should say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
7.
The answer should be 49.
Okay, good job. Match the rules with the pictures. Okay. Yes, it's right. Next. Yes. Well done. Please check up your answers. Okay, the last task. Listen and number the conversations 1-4.
17.2. 1,
Should I buy it? I don't know. Maybe.
2,
Should I take the flowers? Yes, why not?
3,
Should he stop? What do you think? No, I think he should keep going. He shouldn't stop now.
4,
What should he do?
He shouldn't move his head. The girl should phone for help.
So, check up your answers. 1B, 2D, 3C, 4A. Home task exercise 1 on page 10 in your workbook. The lesson is over. Goodbye.